Hi students, welcome to Chemspire. Let's start with solid state part 4. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched first 3 parts of this. Also, if you are watching for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. In this part, let's have detailed discussion on close packed structures in solids and types of voids. So students, have you been to the fruit market? If yes, then you must have observed how they arrange fruits in different patterns. Similarly, the constituent particles in crystal also arranged in different ways. These close packed structures are arranged in 3 ways: close packing in 1 dimension, close packing in 2 dimensions, and close packing in 3 dimensions. Close packing in 1 dimension. There is only one way of arranging spheres in a one-dimensional close packed structure, that is, to arrange them in a row and touching each other. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 2 of its neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called its coordination number. So here, the coordination number is 2. Close packing in 2 dimensions. Here, there are 2 types of arrangements: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. In square close packing, the second row may be placed in contact with the first one such that the spheres of the second row are exactly above those of the first row. The spheres of the 2 rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If we call the first row as A type, the second row being exactly the same is also A type. So we get A type of arrangement. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. Thus, the 2-dimensional coordination number is 4. Also, if we join the centers of these 4 immediate neighbors, a square is formed. Hence, this packing is called square close packing in 2 dimensions. In hexagonal close packing, the second row may be placed above the first one in a staggered manner, such that its spheres fit in the depressions of the first row. If the arrangement of the spheres in the first row is called A type, the one in the second row is different and may call B type. So here we get AB type of arrangement. Each sphere is in contact with the 6 neighboring spheres, so the coordination number is 6. And by joining the centers of these 6 neighboring spheres, we get hexagon. So this arrangement is called as hexagonal close packing in 2 dimensions. Close packing in 3 dimensions. Here, again, 2 types of arrangements are possible. First, 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square close packed layers, and 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layers. First, 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square close packed layers. This type of packing is obtained by placing 2-dimensional square close packed layers above the first one. The spheres of the first and second layer are aligned horizontally and vertically. On arranging layers one above the other, what we get is the 3-dimensional structure. On observing carefully, we will find that This arrangement is AAA type arrangement, which generates a simple cubic lattice, and its unit cell is simple cubic unit cell. Voids. When we arrange layers of constituent particles one above the other, some gaps are formed between them. So these gaps between constituent particles are called voids. Voids are of two types: tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids. When a sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer, a tetrahedral void is formed. These voids are called tetrahedral voids because a tetrahedron is formed when a center of these four spheres are joined. Octahedral voids. The triangular voids in the second layer are above the triangular voids in the first layer, and the triangular spheres of these do not overlap. Such voids are called octahedral voids. The number of these two types of voids depend upon the number of close packed spheres. Let the number of close packed spheres be n, then the number of octahedral voids generated are n, and the number of tetrahedral voids generated are 2n. Now let's place third layer over the second layer. Here, two types of arrangements are possible: covering tetrahedral voids and covering octahedral voids. First, covering tetrahedral voids. In this type of arrangement, the third layer is similar as the first layer. So, the type of arrangement is ABAB type. In this type, each sphere is in contact with 12 other spheres, 6 from the same layer, 3 from bottom and 3 from top. Hence, the coordination number is 12 and the structure is called hexagonal close packed structure. Examples are magnesium, cobalt, zinc, etc. Second, covering octahedral voids. In this type of arrangement, the third layer is not similar to the first layer. So the arrangement that we get is ABC type of arrangement. The examples of this type of arrangement are aluminium, copper, nickel, etc. And the structure is called cubic close packed or FCC structure. So this is the overall view of what we have discussed about close packing. Let's meet in the next video soon. Till then, stay tuned.